Hey, this is Shelton and welcome to the video today at a different location. And today's video, we're gonna talk about it. Let's travel in 2020, how to travel in 2020 and earn an income while you travel. And I'm gonna tell you one or two things you need to do if you wanna travel more in 2020. So if this is your first time here at this video or this channel, hit that red subscribe button. It's right below this video or somewhere around this video, and hit that notification bell. That way you get videos just like this. Now let's go ahead and talk about it. You know what time it is. I know you want to travel because you're here. You're here and you want to travel more in 2020. So let's talk about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this message if you think somebody needs to hear this today. Now let's talk about it. Traveling more in 2020. Go ahead and fish more and sail more and travel more and meet more new people and go to different restaurants. Look at that restaurants back there. Look at those restaurants back there. And here's the lighthouse right behind me. How to travel more and see more things. Now, before I really started traveling, I didn't really understand how I would travel and earn money. And I thought it was all you had to work a job, right? And there's nothing wrong with working a job. We all do it. Definitely. It's nothing wrong with working a job. Yes, work at a job if that's what you want to do. But if you want to travel more and earn an income while you travel, then you need to go ahead and join a program, an online business that's going to teach you how to do that. Now, before, I didn't really understand the power of an online business. I didn't understand the power of really just traveling and earning something. I don't care if it's 20 cents. I don't care if it's $1,000. Get signed up with a program or a service that's going to teach you how to do it in 2020. And right below this video, I've got the perfect opportunity for you can just learn. You can sign up for free. You can go ahead and you can look around, and if it's a good fit, go ahead and continue on with the program. It's easy. Right below this video, it will teach you and show you every step of the way. And of course, I'll be there as well. But main reason why I was doing this video, because I love to travel. Don't you? Don't you want to travel more in 2020? I understand we just started 2020 and there's a lot going on in your life right now. You've got personal things going on, you got your job things, or if you're already an online business owner, you've got different things of trying to get more customers, you're trying to get more sales, you're trying to grow your influence, or even if you got some other issues going on and you just don't have that much time to travel. I'm going to tell you something right now. When you travel and see new things, that's open up everything of yourself. It's almost like you discover new things about yourself. For me personally, I'm out here in this beautiful water in this beautiful area, and I'm sitting here just thinking like all the things I want to do more. So if I was sitting at home right now, I wouldn't have the same energy really than I would be at a different place that I haven't been to. And especially something as beautiful as this can happen to you. Traveling more and seeing more things in your life opens up a whole new horizon, a new perspective. You understand more amazing things that's around you that you never even discovered. I didn't even know I like fishing. All this water, I'm thinking about fishing, getting a fishing pole, and learning how to fish more. I fished before, it's been a long time, but I'm out here by this water out here. I'm like, why not fish? So basically, I'm doing this video because I want to help more people travel more, and more importantly, grow a business that you can be very, very proud of. Something you can earn an income and help more people and earn skill sets, learn skill sets, and earn money while you learn, right? So I understand you look in this video, you're like, well, I'm not sure about it. I've seen videos like this before. You ain't seen no videos like this before. I'm telling you, you ain't seen no videos like this before. I'm really live in location out here telling you that you can travel and earn an income, and you don't have to quit your job today. I'm not telling you to quit your job today. I'm telling you to start today. Start today. Learn. Put in the action step. Take that first step towards traveling, building a legacy, earning income, and who knows? You can fire the boss. You can quit the 9-to-5 job or the 8-to-6 job or the 9-to-9 job, depending on how many hours you work, because I definitely understand I understand that. But my thing is I want to travel more in 2020. So I told myself I'm going to do more videos to teach people that, yes, start a affiliate marketing business or start an online business. You can go ahead, discover, and do that today, right? So that's what I want to do. Help more people travel and discover more things about themselves. Help college students make more money online, grow influence for people that's stuck right now. And if they could see beautiful water and beaches and lakes and rivers and different things like that, that they may want to do, but they may not have the time or they may not be in a position where they can do it. Well, today is your best day to start today. Click on that link below. It's my #1 recommendation of starting an online business, making money online, and traveling for new, beautiful horizons and different things, and discovering yourself, discovering what you like and what you don't like. So this message is quick and simple. Click on the link below to start traveling. Learn how to earn an income online. Take that money online and start traveling more and start doing more things in 2020. Well, this is Adam Shelton signing off. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget, click on that link below, how to travel the world, how to just travel to a different city and earn a different income, and earn an income online. Don't forget, click on the link below, and I'll see you on the next video, or maybe at a different location. I'll be in a different location on my next video. I'll see you next time here. Adam Shelton here to help you, serve you, and help you to travel more and earn an income online. I'll see you in the next video.